Hey, what's going on, guys? MaxPicAxe here once again. Today, I'm gonna be showing you epicness in Minecraft. Custom server announcements. Okay, that was a cool intro there, guys. MaxPicAxe here once again, and yeah. We're going to be looking at server announcements in vanilla and Minecraft. Hey, what's going on, guys? MaxPicAxe here once again, and today we're going to be looking at server announcements in Minecraft. This is my gigantic redstone world, and where are my server announcements? Here they are, guys. Here are my server announcements in Minecraft. You're probably wondering what they are, but let me just turn on this machine by simply adding these two redstones, and boom. Announcements. Subscribe to MaxPicAxe on YouTube for epicness, and currently I set it to go every around 20 seconds or less. So it's going extremely quick, probably less, 10-15 seconds. Okay, maybe much quicker than that. So if you vote, you will get 5 diamonds. So this is custom server announcements. You can customize the delay, but this is the way I did it, so yeah, this is awesome. So first I'm going to explain how this works while these announcements go off. So here we have a custom hopper clock where you put in the items you want, and we have a comparator with a repeater into this piston, and the same thing on the other side. Now what this does is when you begin by putting in whatever items in here to choose the delay, so we begin by putting in 16, then this comparator is going to output just this comparator, and that's going to basically push the redstone block to this side, but it can't. And then it lets the blocks, the weighted pressure plates go into here, and then this comparator turns on and does the same thing to let them go into the next one, because when there is a redstone block on this hopper, it won't be able to travel back on. So that's just a loop, and then when the redstone block is on this side, your repeater here runs this system. So the way the system works is you customize all your commands. I have simple tellraw commands, just very simple ones for like messages. Very easy, just a little bit of green and a little bit of gold. And what's happening here is after one tick, it's gonna you can just use normal redstone here if you want. But after one tick, it's gonna clone this little dispenser down here. So what we're doing is we're getting each message and we're pressing control and middle click for each single one, and then when we place them, you can see they have the custom commands in them, as you can see right here. So now what you want to do is it's cloning this dispenser. It's actually cloning it down to here, which I believe I already said. It's not only cloning the dispenser, it's actually cloning an air block, which is right here. It's cloning that down so it removes this command block, and 2 ticks later, which you can easily use 1 tick if you want, it's your choice, it will activate the dispenser, shoot a random command block between 9, and boom, you got your random message. Okay, so you can customize the time, and the way you do this is you break those 2 redstone here, which are already broken, and that will cause a loop at the start. Then you take all the items out of here. There will be a lot of items in here. So, we have all 16 items. And say you want to do it for a stack, you just simply put in a stack. And then when you're ready to go, you place these 2 here, and the system should be ready to go. As you can see, we have 19 there, and they're all taken out. And within about, I don't know how long, maybe around 15 seconds or 10 seconds or something from now, maybe even about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that was the wrong side. So what this does is, this is about, let me see, around 20 seconds to go between them. No, sorry, I meant about 40 seconds to go between them, and then you have to let it go twice so that it can reactivate. So that means that, boom, it just activated. Please vote for server here, sub.domain.com/webpage. I just put that in for an example here. But everything works fine, and now we're going to crack on with the tutorial on how to build this. Alright guys, we're back with the tutorial on how to build this system. So if you'd like to know the items you need to build this awesomeness, well, here you go. You will need a stack of command blocks, that it just depends, 15 redstone, 3 repeaters, 2 hoppers, 2 sticky pistons, a redstone block, 2 converters, and a dispenser. Now what really matters, you need to be in creative or an operator to edit the command blocks. You need to be an operator and creative to edit the command blocks, and then yeah. So there's no point in trying to do this in survival unless you're placing the command blocks and not even going to edit it. But yeah, just wanted to mention, but they're the items you need anyway. So to begin, you need to place 2 hoppers just like this, facing into each other just like that. I forgot to mention no, we don't need building blocks here. So now you want to put 2 sticky pistons on this side, put your redstone block here, put your comparator here, put your other comparator here, redstone here, a repeater here, redstone all around into this piston. You can use repeater here if you want, or you can just simply come out by an extra block just like this, which is what I've done. So you will need your building block as well, which I did not actually mention. Then on this side you do the same thing, but you put your repeater here and then your redstone into there just like that. You're not supposed to put the repeater here, you're supposed to put it here, and then simply connect redstone into a block here. Now that should work fine. Now you come here and you place a redstone here. You place a dispenser, which you're not going to be using yet. You just place one up here. I did not do that correct, so let me see. Place a dispenser right here, and break that, and then you want to come here. When this activates, you do that, and then you put some redstone into here. And finally, you need to put your command block right here. And yeah, that should work. Now what you want to do in this command block is you want to type in the command depending on what direction you're facing. So here we're facing south, also known as positive Z, which has been removed from the game for some reason. This is what you're going to use when you're facing south. You can edit the coordinates. So relative, relative 2, relative 1, relative, relative 2, relative 2, relative, relative 1, replace. You don't even need to replace. And boom, that should all work perfectly. I did not put the dispenser in the right place. I've put it there. And boom, this should work. So let's go into the hoppers. Place your block. We're just going to use 4. So that's going to go extremely quick. This is not going to work quite yet because yeah, the loop is a bit quick, so we're going to actually add on a bit here. Let's just add on another 4. And to finish this off, all you have to do is break this redstone for now, and then come here, clear your inventory, and then get 9 command blocks of text. To get your 9 command blocks of text, you simply put the commands in your command block and hold Control, middle click on each one to get the NBT data into the command block. I think I did that one wrong, so we're going to come back here and do that. So make sure you get everything right. And once you got all your command blocks, you simply head back here, put them in here just that quickly, and put your redstone back, which I broke a minute ago. Now you can see we're getting an announcement so often, and if you want to go maybe a bit slower, you can just put a bit more in here, and it won't go as quick. So yeah, go ahead and read these announcements since you may as well. Anyway guys, that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed, as always, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.